The focus on well-being, for us, it's all about the journey of our caregivers. What we really do is look at the individual and be like, right, what can we do to support that individual? And that can start as early as the interview process, whether someone's, comfier online, face-to-face, right the way through then till training. We generally have a classroom approach, but we know that general approach doesn't work for everybody.
We look at it from a caregiver's view upwards. We wanted to know what struggles they have on a day-to-day or what it's like independent working. We know that it can be an isolated role. We know that it can be a lonely role. We wanted to make sure that us as an office, us as a company, had the right culture, had the right ethos, and had a place to turn to for what was needed, whether that be for support, well-being, or just a point of contact to come in and speak to us.
If we have someone with mental health or financial and people think, oh gosh, I can't work, I'll step in and say, how can we support you? Do you need time? Do you need an advance in your pay to reduce your rota? There's always a way of trying to retain people. And then I think if you look after your staff as well, they're more likely to stay.
So my team are amazing, support me throughout my journey. I suffered with anxiety and dyslexic, and they've been brilliant with supporting me with work and with QCF. That's why I stayed, because I feel more comfortable in his job.
I went down a rough patch in my marriage. It affected me mentally. It affected my work life. I came to my manager and some of the staff here that I could reach out to, and they supported me, helped me in the best way they could, and I would never take that for granted. I found the office more like a place where I found solace. They've got this sense of family and they carry everyone along.